You've probably heard that taxes and death you cannot avoid. But the next biggest expense in your monthly budget is one you can certainly do something about. So let's look under the hood at what's costing you your lifestyle. Hi, Kiran Sildana here from Borrower First, personal finance strategists. As a home finance manager, I came to see the inside of one of Australia's largest banks. The people I worked for were really nice. And while the clients seemed fairly well educated, most lacked financial awareness. And honestly, the bank was happy to keep it that way. Now, as a broker, I had borrowers willing to pay a premium for the brand name, and I had to ask why. So let me explain with a simple example. If I asked you for a $500,000 loan, you would want to confirm that your investment was secure and that not only the interest, but the principal would be repaid in a reasonable amount of time. However, I would only need to know the interest rate and the security you would need, and maybe a few terms on the agreement. It would seem almost illogical for me to demand that you had a good brand and a reputation, so long as you met the regulations and were not doing anything illegal. Why then do borrowers pay a premium interest rate for a bank that is under the same regulation as a non-bank lender in Australia? It makes little sense. And back then, when we deposited checks and withdrew large amounts of money from a branch, it made some sense. But today, I can't remember the last time I went to a branch. And with all the new technology, it's been a long while since I've seen the ATM. But why is that important to you? What if you were able to see how much that brand, the branch, the management, and all the marketing is costing you? Well, I've been doing this for over a decade now, and I can tell you it's costing you not only your lifestyle, but your financial freedom. Last year, the Australian government provided banks with money at interest rates as low as 0.1%. So do me a favor, the next time you see your home loan statement, just do this simple calculation. Pick up a calculator, look for your current interest rate, and divide it by 0.1%. You probably need to do this a few times because you're going to be shocked with the number you see there. And then jump onto our loan calculator and see how much we can save you. Remember, we're not funded by a bank. The non-bank lender that supplies us our money works at a much higher base interest rate. Well, it's your money, and I know where I'd take mine. So if you'd like me to show you, do get in touch and make the most of our first appointment so we can show you how transparent we are.